Back to BPO interview tutorials. I hope you guys are doing really well, and today we came up with an interesting concept that is on Looker Studio, which is also known as Data Studio, or else like Google Data Studio. So guys, you can check a playlist of Google Data Studio. You will find everything, how to install it, how to set up it. There are approximately 7 videos that will guide you basic on it. I'll give you some understanding on it. Looker Studio basically used to create a dashboards with the help of Google Sheet and MS Excel. You can create amazing dashboards with the help of this tool with good speed. So let's start today's concept, and today we are going to learn how to add emoji or icons as a form of ratings in any of the data set. So we'll learn this concept today. So before moving to that, I would request everyone to please check our playlist. You will find approximately 200 and plus videos, or sorry, 300 and plus video that will help you in cracking the interview on Six Sigma certification trainer, team leader, operation manager, quality analyst, people management, scrum master, many more videos guys, so you can crack your interview very easily. So let's start today's concept on how to add emoji icons in a form of rating. So to do that we require a data set. So I will not explain you how I pull this data here. You can see my past video, will understand everything. So now I need a graph. So on the top you can see here add chart option. In the add chart, in the add chart I need to select table. Okay, let me drag a table. Okay, it got dragged here, and let me increase the size. You can see here the table automatically push the name and the record details because these details are already available in the sheet. That's the reason. Now instead of records I required my ratings, so let me remove this and I will add a metric. In the left side I'm doing this guys, in the right side sorry. So in the metrics I will add rating, so automatically I'll get a ratings because ratings are already being added. And let me go to style near to this setup and let me increase the width, the keyword font size, so that we can get our information more accurately. Okay, you can see here we have font size. Let me make it 28. Yep, it's done. And let me drag this, and let me also do one thing. Let me keep everything in center. Dimensions, everything will be in center, and let me keep ratings also in center. It's done. Okay, great. So we have our data ready. Now we require emoticons icons. How we can do that? You can select the table, go to dimension field in the setup. Okay, we are in the setup now. Okay, in the setup, give me just 1 minute. Okay, in the setup you have to go to dimension. You have to click on add metric. In the dimension add metric, sorry, it's not in metric, it's in dimension. Add dimension, and here we will add calculate field, and here we need to give a display name. Let me keep a display name as emoji. Okay, and let me add some case here. Case in the sense we have to add some formula so that our details will get visible accurately. The formula is very easy. The formula start with case, enter. You have to mention when now what is our rating title name? Our rating title name is rating. You can see here rating. So let me add rating. When rating equal to 1, then it should give us 1 star, right? It should give us 1 star. And sorry, it's an extra bracket, and let me mention n. Okay, and let me try either this formula is working or not. Apply. Yes, you can see here the formula is successfully working. A new tab got created with a new cell got created with the name of emoji. Oh, sorry. Oh yes, here you can see a star is visible for the one. And let me add a same Let me drag the same formula for the rest of the cases. So let me copy this, Control C and enter, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V 5 times. And instead of 1, let me mention 2. Instead of 2, let me mention 3, 4 and 5. Right? Makes sense? Perfect. So let me add the stars. 2 stars, 3 stars, 2, 3, 4 stars, 2, 3, 4 and 5 stars, and let me save. Yes, stars are visible. You can see for 3 there are 3 stars, for 5 there are 5 stars. Now for Suresh you can see 4 rating, 4 stars and so on. Now let me do some changes. We required emoji icons instead of this. So in the Looker Studio, if you're using window laptop, we have to use window dot, window, select window and dot. You can see a dot option after in the bottom of your keypad, window dot. Okay, let it get run. Yes, it's loading. Sorry, it's taking some time. Automatically our emoticons will be visible. You can search star, you will get a star here. Let me choose the star and I will copy this star, Control C, and let me drag it here 2 times, Control V, then 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done. And let me click on apply and see either it is working or not. Here we go. Yes, it's working successfully, guys. You can see here our stars are visible. For 5 rating there are 5 stars, for 3 rating 3 stars, 4 rating. Instead of stars you can also give smileys, guys. If you find like smileys will be a good thing, you can do. You can also add smileys instead of stars. Again, let me click window then dot. Now I can add smileys even if needed. Okay, and apply. Let me try this, either it is working or not. Yes, you can see here it's working. I added 2 smileys, that is the reason it is giving me a result like this. Yeah, perfect, guys. So in this way we can add the emojis as a form of ratings in the Looker Studio. If you still have any doubt, please let me know. Our feedback sessions are always open so that I can help you with the solution. And also please don't miss to subscribe our channel, share our videos to your friends so that they can learn all the concept easily and they can prepare wonderful dashboards and reports. If you guys are using Google Sheets, then please use this. Definitely your manager will get impressed. And also check out our Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook page. You will find multiple videos that will help you on understanding the upcoming vacancies. And also check out a playlist. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day.